Welcome to the rainforest. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. We are going to a Yunque rainforest. This is gonna be my first official time in a rainforest, and I low-key don't know how to feel. I'm kind of nervous. I'm nervous about the drive. I'm nervous about the hike because your girl thinks that she can party all night long to try to wake up early and go hiking. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if there's anything that we learn along the way, so like that you guys don't have to learn it on your own. So come on, let's go enjoy the rainforest. Alright, you guys, so in the GPS we ended up putting El Portal, which is going to take you to the visitor center, and it is $8. I believe it's per person. I'm going to confirm right now. We're just waiting for the other car in front of us to finish up. But honestly, the drive from San Juan, it was what, like 30 minutes? They probably do take card. It was about 30 minutes, not gonna lie. 40 minutes. It's pretty cool outside. What's the temperature up here? Let's see. Oh, it's 77 degrees. Rain is expected to start in 3 minutes and it's gonna last for 6 minutes.
Para allá, para allá.
Welcome to the rainforest. It's actually raining in the rainforest. Whoa. Alright, so this is, I think, a viewing waterfall. Let's see where we're going.
That's right, we did be quick.
Yeah, oh, where did all these people come from? All right, you guys, so honestly the drive wasn't that bad. I would say don't go to the visitor center because I felt like it might be a waste of time. You can just continue to drive up to Cocoa Falls, which is exactly what you guys just saw. Holy shit, like look at these views. I'm more than sure that the camera doesn't do it justice, but this is insane. Alright, so over here is, I want to pronounce, it's called Yogao, the tower, which the tower's over there. You have the parking right here for 30 minutes. And I'm assuming, like, you know, once you go to the viewing tower, you can just go ahead and continue to go up and then figure out where you're gonna go. But let's explore the area and take some pictures. Oh my god, look at the water.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see it, man. We are 1,575 feet in the air. I go upstairs. Not gonna lie, I can breathe much better, but my brain is feeling a little weird. My brain. Alright, you guys, we're right here and we're going to the Juan Diego Creek. Let's go. Alright, you guys, we are officially hiking down. Just so you guys know, the parking literally looks like this. It's not gonna be a parking lot. We missed 2 of them already for the Juan Diego Falls, but we ended up just parking here and we're gonna just see where we end up. I have a picture of the map. Hopefully we don't get lost in here.
It's a straight line.
Yeah, no.
Don't be scared, people love this one road.
I'm not scaring people off.
It's just one road.
We officially made it. Oh my god, this is crazy. What the fuck am I doing? Look, there's a little viewing. Yeah, you guys definitely have to come with the right shoes. Yo. Uh-huh. Oh, thank you so much. This is
What? What about in the back?
When I tell you that was crazy. I wish I could have recorded it, but I didn't bring my headpiece. But we literally just hiked all of it. We're at the gym. And it's raining, but the sun is out. This is amazing. You guys have to come. It is so cold. I cannot believe I was all the way up there. I look crazy. Where do you want to go? Where? Oh.
I think it's more down that one.
Oh, you're trying to go to that. Gotcha.
What?
To like the kiosks?
Yeah. I don't know how close today.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, right now we are at Los Kioscos de Luquillo and we are enjoying a drink. My go-to is a Long Island, and they were 2 for $12. You can't beat that. Guys, this beach was so nice. I'm still being hopeful for the lab or the golden retriever that I saw earlier. Those two drinks held me off, yo. T1. So really quick, before the camera died, we ended up coming to Luquillo Beach, and honestly, if you guys don't take the drive here, you guys are missing out. Like, this is, I feel like one of the most beautiful beaches I have ever been to. And as you guys saw, the vibe is incredible. They have nothing but great things to eat. The jet skis, I don't think I recorded it, but for one person for 30 minutes it's $80, and then if you want to add a second person to the one jet ski, it's an extra $20. That's, to me, that's amazing, because nowhere will you find those prices. Just in